Remedies to cure diabetes at home. 1. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, can be helpful for controlling diabetes due to its blood glucose lowering effects. It tends to influence the glucose metabolism all over your body rather than a particular organ or tissue. It helps increase pancreatic insulin secretion and prevents insulin resistance. Thus, bitter gourd is beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Drink some bitter gourd juice on an empty stomach each morning. First, remove the seeds of 2 or 3 bitter gourds and use a juicer to extract the juice. Add some water and then drink it. Follow this treatment daily in the morning for at least 3 months. 2. Cinnamon. Powdered cinnamon has the ability to lower blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin activity. It contains bioactive components that can help prevent and fight diabetes. Certain trials have shown that it can work as an effective option to lower blood sugar levels in case of uncontrolled type 2 diabetes. Boil 2 or 4 cinnamon sticks in 1 cup of water and allow it to steep for 20 minutes. Drink this solution daily until you see improvement. Another option is to mix half teaspoon of cinnamon in a cup of warm water. Drink it daily. 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an herb that can also be used to control diabetes, improve glucose tolerance, and lower blood sugar levels due to its hypoglycemic activity. It also stimulates the secretion of glucose-dependent insulin. Being high in fiber, it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Drink the water along with the seeds in the morning on an empty stomach. Follow this remedy without fail for a few months to bring down your glucose levels. Another option is to eat 2 tablespoons of powdered fenugreek seeds daily with milk. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bitter gourd tea cures diabetes. The main benefit of bitter gourd tea is to regulate diabetic symptoms. It has compounds like Vicaine and keratin are able to lower blood sugar levels by regulating carbohydrate metabolism. This prevents the spikes and drops in glucose levels that can be so dangerous to diabetic patients. To make this diabetic tea, all you need is fresh bitter gourd, jaggery, and water. Cut bitter gourd into normal pieces and crush few pieces using a mortar. Now, take jaggery pieces and crush to become small particles. Now, boil 2 glasses of water in a bowl and add crushed bitter gourd pieces and jaggery to it. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes and finally strain water into a cup. Diabetes cured bitter gourd tea is ready to drink. Drink this amazing tea twice in a day and say goodbye to diabetes. Some of the most benefits of bitter gourd tea include its ability to fight against cancer, prevent chronic disease, lower cholesterol levels, regulate diabetes, stimulate the immune system, and help the metabolism, and among others. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.